Hi viewers, thank you for watching Ravi's Eye View. If you like my videos, like them, share them and subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a very sensitive topic for Indian women, something called doctrine of coverture. So when I say doctrine of coverture, what it precisely means in a layman's language, any woman, the moment she is married, she is under the protection of her husband. This law, the doctrine of coverture, was implemented in India sometime in 1860 AD during the patriarchal regime of the British Empire. Now, India is among the 36 countries which still considers domestic violence or the sensitive topic called marital rape as impunity. There are no impeachment for such crimes done by an husband to his wife. Section 375 advocates anything which is done by a man to a woman who is not married to him is punishable act and it's a crime. But if the same is performed to his wife, he attains impunity. Impunity is the only reason which is causing tremendous amount of stress. There are data points which is available in this country, closer to 72% of women, married women in this country, between the age group of 15, as low as 15 to 42, they undergo what they call the marital rape day in and day out. Now, what is a marital rape? Very interestingly, if a husband forces himself on his wife without her consent, that amounts to rape. Surprisingly, no religion in India even addresses a marital rape, be it Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 or Islamic law or for that matter any other law. Most of such domestic violences are dealt at the personal court. There are some shocking reports. Closer to 37% of divorce cases registered in the past 7 years in the country, all of them are on account of marital rape. That means without a consent, the husband is forcing himself on his wife. Now, we have a DNA disorder called we being a patriarchal society. Therefore, the man considers to have a sex with his wife, it becomes his right because he's married to her. There are 36 countries where the marital rape even today is considered not as a crime. The man who is charged under marital rape, he attains impunity, including China, Pakistan and India. India is one of the 36 countries. There are more than 100 countries have signed up for that. That marital rape is considered to be the biggest ever crime one can do against a woman. Now, it might sound, and some eyebrows might even raise, thinking that what's wrong in it? We take it for granted the moment we are married to a woman in this country. Whatever we do with the women, including sex, is consensus. But actually it need not have to be. Countries which is signed up for marital rape as a punishable crime, they have realized more and more women, they enjoys the sense of being themselves. Therefore, any violence, any domestic violence committed against them is impeachable offense. Time now, our laws, our acts need to address the two most important elements of our society, which are marital rape and domestic violence. We can't still consider the doctrine of coverture, which was written way back in 1860, by the then ruling British Empire, valid even in the current date. There are millennials, those who feel they must enjoy the freedom of giving a consent to even have a sex with their own husband because they feel violated in case if it is forced on them. And I, for one, stand to support that. I wish to receive viewers' comment on this topic. Time now, we as a society need to relook into our laws and acts and define marital rape and domestic violence as a punishable, serious crime. Thank you for watching Ravi's Eye View. I appreciate your time. If you like my videos, like them, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.